Do you feel like sometimes you need a private investigator, somebody to go through your machines, through your network, and trying to figure out just how something happened? Maybe somebody sent something they shouldn't have sent. Maybe some malware got onto your network in an odd way and you don't know how it happened or who it came through or what it did. If you need somebody to go through your logs and go through the servers and piece it all together, you need an investigator, then call BTP. We're used to doing that kind of work. We're used to going through and trying to sleuth and figure out what broke and how it broke and where it broke and fixing things like that. Also used to tracking down malware and all those nasties out on the internet. It's what we do. So if you've got that problem and you need an old style investigator but with modern technology, give us a call. We'll chase it until we find it.